Hi guys, it's Kayleen. Today I am going to be showing you guys the new iPad 7s. Woo! So we got 2 of them. So the colors that we got are gold and space gray. So I opened these already because I was way too excited to open these. But we're doing a little bit re-unboxing just to show you guys. So let's open the gold first. So this is the gold iPad. This is so cool. So let's open the iPad. I can hear that satisfying part. Okay, I already seen this. Okay, this still looks so shiny. And there's like a little bit of dust on it, so let's check it out. I did like So this is the iPad. So this is the iPad. This is the back of the iPad. And this is the front. This is the back of the iPad. And this is the front of the iPad. It's actually backwards. So this is the exact same color as that one. So this is the laptop. Look guys, it's the exact same color. They're like sisters or twins. Oh! Let's see what's in the box. Ooh, I think this is my favorite part. So this is a little pamphlet. So let's check it out. Ooh, it says iPad. So this is the iPad logo. And here's the iPad. So these are the ones that are actually not open yet, but I opened my other one. So let's take out the power adapter. So this one is like the satisfying part because it has like the wrapper on. I can't get it out. So this is the power adapter. Let's peel it. Oh. Guys, this is so shiny, like shiny. So this is the lightning cable. So this is the space gray iPad. Ooh. Okay. This one is the best of mine. So let's take it out differently. And let's turn on the button. Okay. This is definitely my favorite. Look at the space gray goodness. This is probably good than the gold one. So the back, it's actually different than the gold one because like the white was all around here and the black was the upper. So let's see what's in the box. So as you can see, there's no wire in here because I already opened the wire. So let's open this one and also this black too. So this is the iPad logo and this is also the iPad in the back. Okay. Where's my Apple stickers? So this is the Apple sticker. Very nice. So we also got a case for the gold one, but I also got one, but it's the butterfly, but it's not coming yet. Cleaning up in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! The table is clean, but there's 2 iPads. If you guys were wondering, what are these? So these are my old iPads. So this one's mine, and in the back, I have my logo on there and Evolution pop socket. And the iPad that he really wanted is just like this, but without these stickers. This is the other old iPad that my brother has. So this is the silver, the same one as that one, but it's iPad mini. So this is the iPad 4. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Click the bell button and the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Make sure you guys watch the MacBook Air video. And happy 2-year anniversary. If you didn't see that video yet, you guys should watch it too. Bye! I am so hot. Can you please turn on the fan? Is that still recording? Hey!